the 5 habits that will fix 95% of your problems. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more amazing content. Today, we're diving into a topic that can truly change your life. The 5 habits that will fix 95% of your problems. Whether you're struggling with stress, productivity, or just feeling stuck, these habits can help you turn things around. So, let's get started. Habit 1: Daily reflection. The first habit is daily reflection. Taking just 10-15 minutes each day to reflect on your thoughts and actions can have a profound impact. It allows you to assess what went well, what didn't, and how you can improve. Imagine sitting down at the end of the day with a journal. Write down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Ask yourself questions like, what did I learn today? Or what challenges did I face? This practice not only helps you understand yourself better, but also prepares you for future challenges. Studies show that reflection can increase self-awareness and emotional intelligence, which are crucial for personal and professional growth. So, grab a notebook and start reflecting. Habit 2: Prioritize your health. Habit number 2 is prioritizing your health. It's easy to neglect our physical and mental well-being, but this is where many problems stem from. Start by incorporating regular exercise into your routine. It doesn't have to be intense. Even a daily walk can boost your mood and energy levels. Pair that with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Don't forget about mental health. Practices like meditation, yoga, or simply spending time in nature can help reduce stress and improve your overall outlook. Remember, when you feel good physically and mentally, you're better equipped to handle life's challenges. Habit 3: Set boundaries. The third habit is setting boundaries. It's essential to know your limits and communicate them effectively. This applies to work, relationships, and personal time. Many of us struggle with saying no. We take on too much, leading to burnout and frustration. Start by identifying areas in your life where you feel overwhelmed. Then, practice saying no to commitments that don't serve your goals or well-being. Setting boundaries isn't selfish. It's necessary for maintaining your mental health. When you protect your time and energy, you create space for what truly matters in your life. So, don't hesitate to prioritize yourself. Habit 4: Mindfulness and presence. Habit number 4 is practicing mindfulness and being present. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in worries about the future or regrets from the past. Mindfulness encourages you to focus on the here and now. Try incorporating mindfulness techniques into your daily routine. This could be as simple as taking a few deep breaths before a meeting or practicing meditation for a few minutes each day. Being present helps reduce anxiety and enhances your ability to enjoy life's little moments. It allows you to respond to situations rather than react impulsively, leading to better decision-making and improved relationships. So, embrace the present. Habit 5: Continuous learning. The fifth and final habit is continuous learning. The world is constantly changing, and so should we. Embrace a growth mindset by seeking new knowledge and skills. This could be through reading books, taking online courses, or even engaging in discussions with others. Stay curious and open-minded. When you learn, you adapt better to challenges and find innovative solutions to problems. Remember, learning doesn't stop after school. It's a lifelong journey. By committing to continuous learning, you'll not only enhance your personal development, but also open doors to new opportunities. So there you have it, the 5 habits that can fix 95% of your problems. Daily reflection, prioritizing health, setting boundaries, practicing mindfulness, and continuous learning. Implementing these habits might take time, but the benefits are worth it. Start small and gradually incorporate them into your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What habits do you practice to overcome challenges? Thanks for watching, and remember, you have the power to change your life. Until next time, take care.